Would you bet your last dollar on French fries? James Windon did. After COVID wiped out his cleaning business, he had $8 in the bank, 0 restaurant experience, and 1 chaotic dinner that swapped rice for fries. That happy accident became Buena Papa Fry Bar, a Colombian-fusion fry concept that went from food hall stall to viral lines to national franchise requests. Tonight, the 3 entertainment industry tactics James used to turn attention into income, the biggest mistake he refuses to repeat, and an 8-step playbook you can steal. Raleigh, North Carolina, food hall, 7 rejections, 1 yes. James and his wife, Johanna, commit $40,000, their life savings, to build the first. The concept, Latin America on fries. Inspired by his Colombian wife's bandeja paisa, chorizo, chicharrón, beans, avocado, reimagined on crispy papas. Then weekly riffs, Mexicano, Colombiano, Americano, vacation nostalgia on a base everybody knows. James's motto, shoot first, aim later. Translation, ship at 75%. Let real customers finish the plan. It worked, until it didn't. The reality of restaurant ops hit fast. Finding a co-packer willing to handle the recipe, opening on a holiday, label mishaps, and the classic early operator leak. Overportioning, they were doubling meat portions, great for Instagram, terrible for profit. An advisor audits the line, set exact portion sizes, standardize potatoes per bowl, stagger labor with weather and traffic, and track every hard cost. Immediate lift in margins. 5 months in, 1 TikTok hits 16M plus views. Overnight, lines out the door, sellouts for weeks, news coverage, magazine features, destination traffic. They leaned into it. Rapid content cadence, raw guest reactions, tasty POVs, and a selfie wall baked into every store to turn every visit into free distribution. Here's the part most first-time operators skip: math. James learned on the fly, then obsessed. Food cost percent, labor percent, vendor pricing, portion control, and negotiation. Always. They now protect a 20-22% profit margin, exceptional for QSR, by basing dishes on a low-cost hero, potatoes, negotiating vendor rebates, adjusting staffing to demand, and never letting portion creep kill the bowl. Then came Shark Tank. 40 minutes of live negotiation. They nailed the numbers, landed a deal, and got flooded with 5,000 plus franchise inquiries. Reality check. Franchise official or support business. Or as Mark Cuban warned, you'll be a babysitter. James's take, hand-holding, yes, babysitting, no, but build the systems. To keep quality high, they're clustering openings, e.g. multiple Jacksonville units, for shared vendors, training, and marketing spillover. James worked around Queen Latifah's camp early in his career. Lesson: create a buzz before the product drops. For launches, live salsa band, PR, local media, and daily social reels. Not glossy ads, raw, genuine, irresistible food moments. Cheese drips, fry tosses, first bite reactions. From day one, look like a big dog. Cohesive colors, yellow-black, cultural textures, burlap, founder, family photos, a name with a story, Buena Papa, good potato, good vibes. Want to build your own viral QSR or food concept? Start here. 8 steps. Define the angle. Familiar base, plus culture, flavor twist. Buena Papa, chiu, fries, plus Latin flavor. Prototype dirty fast, 75% launch, iterate in public. Codify ops, SKUs, portion sizes, line flow, staffing rules. Price from cost up, target prime cost first, then set price. Launch like a movie. Pre-marketing, PR list, opening day spectacle, content engine, daily raw reels, POV builds, guest reactions, selfie wall, numbers weekly, food, labor, variance, vendor deltas, promo impact. Cluster of franchising, training hub, vendor leverage, brand consistency. 3 marketing tips: story, slogan, tell origin, culture, and craft in every post. Seed local creators with VIP tastings. Ask for reactions, not scripts. Run micro tests on names, Geshard photos. Keep the winners, kill the rest. 3 tools and communities: Toast, Dasher Square, plus Margin Edge, POS plus Zero, food cost tracking, Canva, CapCut, daily reel production. Startup CPG, Reddit, RR Restaurant, playbooks, mentors, strengths, memorable brand, low-cost hero ingredient, viral-ready visuals. Weaknesses, portion creep risk, supply chain and training complexity. Opportunities, cluster franchising, stadium e-shop venue deals, LTO flavor drops. Threats, copycats, food inflation, and algorithm dependence. From $18 to a national fry brand. Not because everything was perfect, because they fired, then aimed. If you've got passion, a flavor POV, and a phone camera, your audience is already out there. Make the thing, show the thing, learn the numbers. Comment your wild comfort food mashup below. Best one gets a cameo in our next episode. Like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who still thinks social doesn't work anymore. Spoiler, they're using it wrong.